Let's take a look at our premium sliding windows and doors. Dynamic choice for your home. This comes with custom developed rollers and aluminum guide rails which are long-lasting and enable smooth and easy movement. It comes with a Viva score of 9 on 10, assuring your peace of mind and protection from harsh winds, water seepage and dust pollution. Featuring sleek aerodynamic interlocks, this window can go up to 12 feet in height, 5 feet in width per shutter and can take weights up to 200 kgs. Its unique curved design makes for a visual statement, providing easy grip while also doubling up as a handle to protect your home during cyclones. Its two-way drainage system provides protection from rainwater seeping inside, while a unique wool pile-based ceiling provides insulation from noise and dust. Glass thickness can also be customized from 6 mm to 26 mm, which includes single-glazed, double-glazed, and laminated glasses for safety, noise, and heat insulation. Made of 30+ components, these windows bring the best of engineering to your home. Sliding windows also come with a mosquito mesh and a variety of elegant handles that have multi-point locking systems and anti-theft features for additional safety and ease of movement. Superior functionality and sophisticated design, all in one window. So imagine your space with Eternia windows.